Hi, I'm Candace Kirkemeyer, the Mental Health Leader for KPDSB. Welcome to our first virtual staff wellness event. We know that 2020 has been a difficult year. COVID-19 has impacted each and every one of us in different ways. We want to acknowledge that all of you have been asked to live and work in ways different from normal practice, and very likely out of your comfort zone. As a board, KPDSB acknowledges all staff. Whether you're a custodian working hard to keep our schools clean, an administrator working to support the safety and well-being of our students and staff, or a frontline worker working directly with our students or working behind the scenes, we know how hard all of you have been working. We hope that you feel pride in working for KPDSB, which as a board has taken the pandemic very seriously, and a board that has worked tirelessly to create and implement COVID guidelines and protocols to keep us all safe. Keeping our schools open has allowed for our students and staff to remain connected to the school and community and to something familiar, which is extremely helpful during the pandemic. We hope that the work all of you are doing and your connections to your school communities have helped to ground you during these uncertain times. As a small way to give back and say thank you, we have organized the first virtual staff wellness event. Over 12 days in December, all staff will receive an email with information and resources to support your own well-being. We know that some of these strategies might not work for everyone, but we hope that there will be a few that you will find useful. Some of the strategies may feel strange as you try them. However, please remember that as we learn new skills, we need to practice them before they start to become habit. These videos will be posted to our KP YouTube site, and embedded links to resources will be shared in the all staff email. On day one, our first staff wellness resource is the Canadian Mental Health Association webinar, The Holidays, Your Mental Health, and COVID. Different doesn't mean cancelled. These 1-hour sessions will run on Wednesday, December 2nd at 6 p.m., Tuesday, December 8th, and Tuesday, December 15th at 11 a.m. Stay tuned for day 2 of our virtual staff wellness event. Be well.